Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journeys. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to plant up some new seeds that I have got you guys hanging to the top of my greenhouse so that you can see me and my thing at the same time. I'm going to plant some watermelon radish. These are cold hardy, but I'm going to plant them anyway directly in the ground. I'm not going to put them in pots. And I am going to plant some golden beets. These are actually cold hardy too, what they say, cool season. But I'm going to plant them. And I'm going to plant some Detroit red. And they are probably cold hardy too because they are beets. So we'll see. I'm going to plant them. And then I told you guys I had ordered some more seeds. I ordered these poblano. They say they're ancho grande, but on the packing slip it said poblano. So I wrote poblano on here so I can remember that these are poblanos. And I may already have some since I didn't know they had a different name. And these are these peppers that I was telling you about that I had when I was in San Juan. They are the Bequinho. I think that's how you pronounce that. Not sure. But when I tell you these things were amazing, I got them in yellow as well. I didn't have the yellow ones. I only had the red ones. So I'm going to plant both of them. It only feels like a little bit of seeds in here. So I'm going to be sure to plant these separate somewhere so that I can save the seeds from them so they're not cross-pollinated. So that's what we're going to do. I have already printed off the labels, but I have not actually put the labels on the tabs because I didn't have the tabs inside the house. And I wasn't coming out here to get them. It's kind of warm out here, but these are the tabs that I have. You guys may shake a little bit because you're hanging on the thing. I also need to plant some spinach. Have not planted any more of that, and I need to go ahead and drop some seeds directly into the ground so that I can have those as well. What else did I need to plant? Oh, some more brassicas because I haven't planted those either. So that is on the agenda for this week on my lunch break. So the only thing I'm going to get done is what I showed you if I get all of that done. Because I only have 40 more minutes because I spent 20 minutes looking for what seeds I was going to plant and doing the labels in there. And I don't have the soil and anything yet, so I'm really not prepared, y'all. But when am I ever? Costco got their stuff out now in the garden. I mean, in the garden. No, they don't have a garden center, but they have their soil and all that stuff out. I don't think they have all of it out yet, but they have a great deal of it out. So this is what I was supposed to put my tomatoes in, but did I know? And ain't none of that stuff come up yet. I mean, none of it. Am I going to use these for my peppers? No, I'm going to use these. I'm going to use 2 of these. I put the soil in this bucket here, which is mixed with other stuff. So I might get some random seeds to come up because it saves my dirt. So we're watering in this soil. And I'm just going to fill up these things. And it's that cheap soil that I got. I don't want to say it's cheap, but I got it on sale on my one chance visit to Walmart last year, because everybody was posting that Walmart had cheap Pro Mix. Of course, there was no Pro Mix when I got there on sale at my Walmart. Right. Alright, can y'all see that? Let's turn y'all a little bit that way. Alright. I'm gonna put 2 seeds. Oh, it looks like it might just be 20 seeds in here. It is not a lot. So, get 4 seeds out. And I'm going to put 2 in each little slot. Curl them up. Can't plant these too deep because they're little teeny little seeds. My music is loud in my office. I'm at work. I had to play music all day. Which one was that? The yellow. So I'm going to put that one in. That one there. Now we're going to do the 2 red. That's 4. Probably get some to my friend if all 4 of them come up. Because I don't need 8 of these. But I do want 2 of each. So, and I don't know how well they grow. I hope they grow a lot. Y'all grow these, let me know how they grow. If you get a whole lot of them throughout the year, or if they just grow a little bit here and there. I got some grow bags. I'm going to put them in and put them up here with the, where I had my Jimmy Nardella by itself last year, so I can get seeds from it. I'm going to put them up there. Alright, and now the poblano. Let me see what that other pepper was named. Blotto. No, that one what it was named, so maybe it's not the same. But anyway, I like these. I like to cut them up and put them in my food. I like to stuff them. So 4 of them as well. I only need 2. If I get 4, I keep 4. These are big seeds. I'm on my phone. I'm not on my camera. Alright, I got all 4 of them done. And we got beets. I said I was going to put these beets in the ground. I don't know how they do. We're going to put them in here. Beet seeds look like flower seeds to me. Yeah. We can put a bunch of them. And then we'll separate them out. Put 3 in each one. And then maybe I'll go over there and put some in the ground. 2. Well, we're going to put 4 because we got 2 left. You got contact with the soil. Alright. Let's see what these do. look the same. These are the red ones. Put 4 in each one of them too. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. Y'all, I'm sweating. It's hot in this greenhouse. I bought a thermometer. It says it is. I can't tell. It is 100 degrees. It ain't no 100 degrees in this greenhouse. That thing lying. It's hot in here though. It ain't 100 degrees hot though. I get these big old pieces of wood out the way, cause not they ain't gonna come up. Not through no wood. All this dirt out of my fingernails. I can't stand to get dirt under my fingernails. I'm sweating like crazy. Alright, that's it. And the last thing is this watermelon radish. I guess I'll go and put these in here too. Although I always direct sow these. And don't have good succession rate. But I did get some this year. I think I got like 4. But I planted them in the fall. So we'll see. I just pulled them. The frost got them. The last ones I had. Alright, 4 in that one. And 4 in this one. Shit, it might be 100 degrees in here. I'm sweating. This hot sweatshirt on. Alright. Got everything in there. What I'm gonna do, I know it's wet already, the soil, but I'm still gonna bottom water it. Put my seeds in my pocket. Maybe we'll go over here and throw some of these beets in the ground while we out here. How much time we got? Oh yeah, it's just 25 kilos. Alright, so we got those 2 and that one. And then I'll put this one back. Got an extra tag. Throw that in there. I'm just gonna put this golden beet down, and it can come up golden or red. I'm just gonna put all of them there. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Shouldn't fall off. And all should be fine. Alright. Let's take y'all to go see. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take and put these beets right here where this kohlrabi and stuff was up here in the front. I'm just gonna make a little trench and just dump them all in there. Because everything else has died, come up. So I'm gonna stick the little thing right here at the beginning. And one side I'm gonna put red, and the other side I'm gonna put yellow. And just drop a few. Spread them out a little bit because they get a little big. I think beets like to be close together, so. And then just cover them up. I mended this bed really good in the fall. I might make a sign for these yellow ones. I just threw a seed over there. There you go. Should have got it when it first fell. Now it's blending in with all the other stuff. There it is. Alright, cover that up. And then I'm gonna water it in. And that's it. I'm gonna put my potatoes in this bed. Alright. Got the beets there. And we planted them along there. So this is all the peppers. These are the ones that I planted today. Peppers and radishes and beets. These are my tomatoes and stuff that I planted last week. And then the peppers that I planted the week before that. So this is all that I got going. Yep, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. That is it for my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My face is creased. I got Beets on. Had a really bad sinus headache, but it came outside and it went away. So, anyway, maybe it's going to rain. Oh, yeah, it looks like rain. Sky looks like rain. Probably why my sinus headache is really bad. Had a Beets on my face and then a heat pad on my neck. Because I don't take medicine. Very, very seldom. But anywho, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.